Hi everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Today in this video, I am going to be taking you through how I accomplished this makeup. Yes, I know it have been a while guys, but guess what? Your girl is still here and I'm going to be taking you through that today. If it's the first time to the channel, thank you so much for joining us, and go ahead, hit on that subscribe button and make sure you also hit on the notification bell as well, so you are notified each time we do have content uploaded on the channel. And for all of our loyal subscribers, thank you so much for always being here and being a part of the fam. We're going to get into the video to how I accomplished this makeup. Let's just get into the video and stop all the rambling. All right, here we go.
So you would realize I have not been doing any makeup tutorials since lately, and that's basically because I realized that my face was having some amount of discoloration and I did not want that to happen any further. So it seems as though the makeup I was using on my face, it started to change my face color in some places. So I had to just give it a break for a while, and now I'm back at it again. So right about now, I basically just putting on some eyebrows. Yeah, I do have the eyebrows already, but I have got to do some amount of shading with that as well. And not only shading, but also just to make sure that I use my concealer to make those eyebrows pop some more. And remember, as I'm always saying, I am not a makeup artist. One thing I need to let you know as well, this which I'm using, it's called a concealer for eyeshadows. So that's eyeshadow concealer. I saw it on another makeup artist page and I said, I need to get this because my eyes, they are so big. And each time when I close my eyes and open them, they leave a crease there, or if I have two different shades of colors there, it tends to go into each other. So I got that and I have been using it for a little while now and it is working. All right, so now you're seeing here where I'm using two different shades of purple. I'm using the very loud purple, and then I use a lighter shade purple over the top there, and then I use a little bit of black to the sides there. And then of course, I'm always going in with my Revlon foundation, and that's the Revlon liquid foundation there. So I just use that to go all over my face, and then I'll go in with my concealer, right? And I put those at my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin there. All right, and then after that I'll just go in with my beauty blender, and make sure your beauty blender is damp, because when it's damp it tends to give you a better finish when you are blending out your concealer on your face there. And guys, I should let you know, when I was putting on my eyeliner, because it's the liquid eyeliner I was using, oh my gosh, when I was using it, it actually went into my eye. So you all need to be careful when you're putting that on. Yes, it went into my eye. I started to cry. I just had to just take that part out. I could not let you all see me crying. And yes, I am a crybaby. All right, so here now I'm using some of the contour to do a little bit of contouring. As I said, I'm not much of a makeup artist, so I'm just trying to do my own thing. And just to let you know, I'm getting there with the eyelashes. Yes, if you realize now, I can put on the eyelashes in a wink of an eye. Yes, I'm not perfect as yet with the eyelashes, but based on where I'm coming from, your girl is doing good. All right, so now I'm using the translucent powder just to touch out on these, places, just to get them a little highlighted and a little bit more chirpy. So I went in with my face powder there just to, blend out a little bit and get rid of the excess powder which was there. And then, of course, I always have to use my brown eyeliner to go through with my lips. And then right after that, then I'm going to try to find a lipstick to use. I definitely did not know which lipstick to use. However, I just grabbed one. And that's it.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look of my makeup for today. Let me know what your thoughts are. Oops, hold on. I totally forgot. Hold on. I hope this doesn't mess me up. There you go. Right, that's better. All right, guys, so that's the look for today. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's been a while since I have done uh, a makeup tutorial, and also since I have worn my natural hair. So just let me know what your thoughts are there in the comment area, and I thank you so very much for sticking along this journey with me. All right, so I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Remember to go ahead and hit on that subscription button and also hit on the notification bell. So once more, I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying take care, walk good, bye.